Hey, what's up, trader? It's Nkati from DesireToTRADE.com. Now, I've written a post recently on my blog, which was how to avoid blowing up your trading account. And this is something I realized a lot of people have went through, have gone through. A lot of people have had like a full account of trading. And this is unfortunate because there's one simple thing you can do to avoid that, and to avoid blowing up a trading account. And it's really simple. And you probably heard it a couple of times. So I'm just going to repeat everything you heard again, like a couple of times. But it's basically risk management. So how do you manage your risk? If you manage your risk in trading, you're gonna get money overall in the end. But if you don't manage your risk, if you trade irresponsibly, if you only look about what potential gain you could have, and you don't look at what you're risking, well, this is gonna be a big problem. This is gonna be what can put you to blow up your trading account, basically. And well, there's one simple thing you can do to avoid losing all your account into one single trade or a few trade, and it's to control your risk to a fixed percentage for each trade. So every single trade you're gonna risk a fixed percentage. And the thing is, I talked with a lot of people who've blown up their trading account, and they all told me they were risking like close to 8 to 10% at the beginning. And this is stupid. If you risk 10% of your trading account, it means you can lose only 10 trades, and even a little bit less than that. So 10 trade, and then you'll have lost you won't have any trading account. So basically, what I recommend people is they risk only 2%. And what happens is if you risk 2% per trade, while over 20 trade, you could lose less than 40% of your capital, because every time you risk 2%, it's always decreasing if you lose. So the first one, if you have an account of $1,000, the first trade you would risk $20. But then second trade, if you lose that one, you would basically risk 2% of the remaining account. So 2% of $980. So that's even less. And then as you go like that, it's always less. And so that makes it really, really easy not to blow up your trading account. It's something people have to understand. So if you can risk only 2% every single trade, you're gonna go a lot further than people who risk too much, and you're gonna be able to not blow up your trading account. And then you have to pair that up with a strategy always. So if you don't have a strategy, if you don't have a plan, even if you control your risk, it's not going to happen. So that's the second thing you have to do. But first thing is to do the risk. Second thing is your trading strategy that you have to write out on paper and make sure you follow every single time. And make sure it's a winning strategy, so you backtested before. But then if you do that, like it's almost impossible, I would say, to blow up your trading account. So that was my quick video. I hope you liked it. If you want to join my free community, free Facebook community, check out DesireToTRADE.com/group. It's free to join, and you can see us, a lot of traders there, and we like to give advice to people. I like to post my stuff. So check that out, DesireToTRADE.com/group, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.